Welcome to another video from my company, Dependable Concrete. We are in a neighborhood in Philadelphia called Chester Hill, and below is a client that contracted with my company to have her basement walls cemented and basement concrete floor resurfaced. In this video, I will demonstrate to you step by step how I completed this project, and hopefully you will enjoy. Let's drop down and have a look.
So we went through that for 8 months. The problem with this room, as you can see,
Yep.
is that. But the worst part, if I can show you the light here, unfortunately I'm going to leave this out.
Yep.
That one, you can see the bottom
That
part.
too. Okay.
That's the worst corner right there.
For our mix, we use Portland cement, lime, and bar sand, and to prevent cracking, we add fiber mesh. We apply 2 coats of cement, a first coat scratch coat, then a sponge finished last coat. We are now resurfacing this cracked up concrete floor. We begin with rolling out a bonding glue, then we overlay the floor with a self-leveling cement. The walls and floor have cured for a week, and now it's time to add paint. I am spraying 2 coats of paint for this job. There are several choices of paint coatings to apply to basement walls. We are spraying a flat white paint. Sherwin Williams, of course. We all know a basement could be a dark room. I recommend applying a bright paint like white because it's more reflective and requires less energy to brighten this large room. For a neat job, it's important to protect pipes, utilities, and meters with tape and painter's plastic. In preparation for our next paint job, we completely break down our spray gun and clean. Now it's time to paint the floor. And the first step is the most important step, which is to thoroughly sweep the floor before applying the paint. Before rolling out the paint, I like to trim around the borders with a 4-inch trim brush. That's right, I'm a loyal customer of Sherwin Williams. In the long run, it's just not worth it to use cheap paint. The paint we are applying is very durable floor paint that is designed for heavy foot traffic. It will not peel like cheap box store paints. You can easily get 10 to 15 years with medium traffic from a Sherwin Williams floor paint. After painting this floor, it can be walked on in 4 hours, but I would use an old pair of socks and then regular footwear in 24 hours. One good coat of this quality paint is all that's needed. Just make sure that the floor is thoroughly covered in material and no areas are missed. At the end of this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I respond to all questions and comments. Because I am now painting on a smooth surface, a 1/4-inch nap roller is all that's needed. Remember, I did promise you that I would show you that can of paint. Let's go. For floor paint, I always recommend a light gray. It's not too dark and not too light.
Vince, I appreciate everything you've done for us. You know, this place was a mess, and my God, it's cleaned up nice. We get blinded by the whiteness as we're looking down here. It's made a whole new place out, a whole new home out of it for us. We're really impressed. You did a good job, and you know, the pricing's perfect. You know, it's a lot of work, and I appreciate it.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.